In the main page of lifting, the maximum operating speed can be set to 49.7 kilometers per hour. When visibility is poor or the flight path is steep, it is recommended to reduce operation speed. The auto operation height should be increased as much as possible to prevent the lifting cable from entangling with obstacles like power lines. The length of the lifting cable and the total length of the payload should be set according to the actual situation. DJI agricultural drones can automatically detect the cable length, and if the set length differs significantly from the actual length, a reminder will be issued. For convenient lifting, you can use the crosshair, remote controller, aircraft, or mobile phone to add points on the map. When using the aircraft for point marking, you can quickly set it as a loading point or unloading point. Click on the point to view its positioning accuracy, name it, or delete it. It can also be set as a transfer point, unloading point, or fly to the point. During flight, the FPV display will show the AR location of the destination point. The status bar will display the current payload weight and the recommended maximum load. Do not overload. In the dashboard region, you can view flight altitude, speed, distance to the return point, payload and ground distance, and swing angle. Click the balance control icon to automatically erase payload swing. Right screen. The bottom will display the horizontal distance and direction to the destination point, as well as the vertical distance and direction. You can also click the screen or press the R1, R2, R3 buttons to pause or continue flying to the destination point. The lifting module supports AR projection during landing process, ensuring no obstacles within the indicated safe range during landing. In the lifting settings, you can join the team by scanning the QR code with DJI Agriculture app. If team member positioning is inaccurate, it could be refreshed. You can also modify member names or erase them. Swing control function. When turned on, if the swing angle exceeds the preset value, the aircraft will move horizontally to erase the swing. Please use when the wind is mild, and ensure the surroundings are clear and safe. The recommended swing control trigger angle is 30 degrees. If the weight is not zero, when installing the lifting system without load, place the aircraft horizontally and click tare calibration to zero the weight. When replacing three-dimensional force sensor, ensure the remote controller is connected to the internet and click Update the triaxial force parameters. Enter the SN number under the QR code of the three-dimensional force sensor plug for calibration.